Hey everyone, how's it going? Andrew here. In this video, we're going to go over this cool little 62 HP system I have in my Intellijel palette case. I've been playing with this for the past couple weeks, just doing a bunch of sound design and just having fun, really. Specifically, I've been swapping out this, I've kept this noise engineering Manus Iteritas in and swapped out a bunch of effects, but this particular set of effects has been incredible, and we're going to dive through this kind of stack I have here. So first of all, it's already wired. Let me kind of describe generally what's going on. So right now we're just playing the Manus with all three of these effects turned off. So generally kind of calm sound for the Manus Iteritas. This is, by Noise Engineering. They make a lot of aggressive sounding modules. This one gets very aggressive, but we're playing it kind of clean here. I really love this module. It's my favorite oscillator between the two I have. The other one I have is the Loqualic Iteritas, and this is my fave. We're not using the Horologic clocks here. I do have a Klep Diaz here synced and running that I've been kind of pulling in and out. Basically, this is an LFO. It can also do random stuff. But here we have the Data Bender. This is like a crazy kind of breaking stuff simulator. So it simulates like failing CDs, bit rate errors, sample rate errors, like failing digital technology kind of sound. You'll hear all these in a sec. Prism is kind of like a combination of a delay, a filter, and a decimator, like a bit crusher, sample rate reducer. And then we have the Noise Engineering Desmodus Versio, which is a algorithmic reverb with continuous controls over everything. You do a lot of crazy sounds, as you'll see soon. So I'm going to show you everything one by one, and then we'll just kind of play and talk about what I'm doing as I go. So I do have everything synced to clock. So these two modules use a clock input. This one's not synced to a clock. It's just using it as a reverb. So I'll turn this on. So first, we'll take a listen to Data Bender coming in. We can turn off some of these other modes here, like I can turn off bend and break and just go with corrupt. I'm going to turn on just bend. Actually, I'll turn that down. So basically that was like the sound of like a CD kind of skipping, right? Then we'll do it a break. That's kind of like a stuttering sound. So I've been using all three of these. And by the way, I haven't read the manuals for any of these. I've just been playing with them. I like to just have fun. I'll dive into the manuals at some point. But the important thing for me is what sounds I can get out of things. So let's turn this off for now. Now let's look at Prism. So on one hand, it's a delay. So I can turn this up. And we get that sound, but it's also a really good filter. And if I turn up the filter here, so yeah, I really like the sound of this, especially once everything else starts going on. Now this is also as a decimator. And we're not going to be clocking modifying or modulating rather the decimate function, but you can make some really cool glitching stuff when you do that. I just already have the Data Bender, which is doing it for me. And we're not really even modulating anything here. We're just relying on the basic settings of the module. So I'm pretty much just using stock, like almost no modulation in this stuff, and it still gets crazy sound. So it'll be really exciting to see once I start adding in more modulation. But for now, let's go to the reverb. So I'll turn this back up. And there are three versions of this. There's like, I guess, a regular reverb, at least I think. It's called LAM. Then we have Distortion and Shimmer. I really like the Shimmer one. So I'll turn this up. So here, you can almost get like a kind of delay. If we turn down the size, turn up the density, we get a lot more of a reverb when we're in that case. So now I'm just going to kind of just play, and I'll talk a little bit as I do stuff. This adds in repeats for the data bender. Now let's add in some delay. A little bit of decimate. And now there's this really cool option called FSU, which stands for fuck shit up, so I'm going to press that. Which really cool swells when you do that. I freaking love the sound of that. So now let's play a little bit more with this. Like, crazy. So for the Desmodus, when you go past like 12 o'clock, you actually get infinite reverb. We have an LFO coming out of the clip here. Now we really get to hear the sound of this filter. So now I'm going to do something. I'm going to kill the pitch. Let's actually pull this out. Let's grab a random clock here, not even synced. Oh, that's not the right one. Anyways, let's hear back where we started. This is where we started with. So anyways, hope you found that cool. I really love this common set of modules. This oscillator is really good. These effects are really just nuts, and I haven't even really started modulating them. And yeah, it's really cool. Anyways, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.